Okay, so we are going to reaction YooA-Bon Voyage and Namjoo-Bird. Okay, so we are going to reaction on these two MV because they released this MV at the same time. Okay, so we will tell YooA is from the group Oh My Girl, the member of group Oh My Girl, and Kim Namjoo is from the group of Pink. Yeah, Pink. So these two has released the debut solo song, while YooA made a first album solo and Namjoo is first single solo. I think you've been heard this. The one who produced the Namjoo song is Soyeon from J-Idol. She's the one that produced the Bird. Okay, so I'm going to reaction YooA-Bon Voyage first. Let's start it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, card. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Wow. Okay, so. Oh.
Wow,
Oh, what is
so big.
Oh.
Ooh.
What? Wow. Oh, the teaser. Wow. Oh. Where is she? At the beach? Oh. Oh my god. Her voice is too soft. Wow. Oh, it's sunflower. I really like that. What? Oh, she got wings. Oh my god. She can fly? I thought she is flying. What? She's wearing wig. Oh my god. This reminds of Tinkerbell. Wow. Oh. Her makeup is very good. Oh my god. Wow. Ooh. What? It's like a Tinkerbell. Wow. Oh, the animal just now. The wolf just now. Okay, here. Dance break. Oh, because she is the queen dancing. Oh. What? It's like a fairy tale. It's like a fantasy ending. disappear. Ooh. So we'll be reacting on Namjoo-Bird. Okay. Okay, so we'll be reacting Kim Namjoo-Bird MV. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh. What? Short hair, Namjoo? Short hair? Oh no, long hair. Touch. Oh,
Long hair.
long hair. Because I saw in the teaser she got short hair. Where is that short hair? Oh. What? Oh. It's like a fantasy MV too. Oh! I mean this. She got short hair. She cut her hair. I don't know which is her real hair. It's a long or short. Oh. Wow. What? Wow. Oh God. The music is like Indian music. What? Short hair again? I don't know which is her real hair. I think it's wig. Wow. Ooh. Oh, okay. So about these two MV, okay. First, we are going to talk about YooA-Bon Voyage MV. So I think Bon Voyage MV is like fantasy concept because there's a lot of like Disney concept, like YooA dressing like Tinkerbell. Okay, so it's a remind of Tinkerbell. Okay, about the Kim Namjoo-Bird MV, it's really badass MV because it's too badass. Her dressing is too lot of badass concept. The girl crush concept. Okay, these two MV has a different concept. Okay, so that's it from all of us. Okay, bye.